Google Tag Manager is a free tool from Google. It helps you put all your tracking codes like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, or ads in one place. Instead of editing your website code every time, you just add one Tag Manager code and control everything from its dashboard. So in this video, we will learn how we can set up our Google Tag Manager account. First, visit Google Tag Manager account website. Then log in using your Gmail account. We already have logged in. It will take you to the following landing page asking to create an account. On the following page, you need to add account details such as account name, then choose country, then you can share your data anonymously with Google or not. Then under container setup, add container name. For container name, add your domain, then choose target platform. Click create. Next, it will ask you to agree with term of services. So check I also accept. Next, you will find the following pop-up with two codes. First code need to be placed under header of your website. Second code need to be placed in the body section of your website. For this demo video, we have our website set up on WordPress, so we will use a plugin. But if you have a custom website, you can find the header section and the body section and add these two snips there. So let's continue to our WordPress dashboard. Now we are on our website WordPress dashboard. Here you need to click on plugins, then click add plugin. Now search for the following plugin, WP Code. Install it and activate it. Next, on the left sidebar, you will find the following option, code snips, then click on header and footer. Now in the header section, we can copy and paste the header code here. So go back, copy the code and paste it here. Next, so go back, copy the code and paste it here. Finally, save changes. Now our setup is complete. So go back to the Google Tag Manager account. Now it's time to test our integration. To test it, add your domain here under test your website, then click test. So our setup is now complete and also verified. So this is how you can set up Google Tag Manager account with your website. Now, after the setup, you can use this Tag Manager account to add any tracking code such as Google Analytics. First, choose tag configuration. Under tag configuration, you will find bunch of options such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, and many more. Once you choose it, you can also choose the configuration. In our next video, we will learn how we can set up a new tag. Specifically, we will set up tag for Google Analytics 4. Thanks for watching.